Hi, it's Froggy, and I have an update on the Little Stubbies contest that I entered. I'll show you what I made, and then I'll give you an update on how I did in the contest. So, I have him in a bag. I was able to bring him home. I went to Hearts on Fiber yesterday, and I was able to bring him home. So, that's cool. And he's got his little toe tag on. But here is my completed project. If you were in my live streams, you actually saw him. But here he is with his completed project. He's got a little toe tag on there with his number. That's not the place he came in. They have to number the items so that the people judging don't know whose it is. So he's kind of cockeyed in his chair at the moment. But there he is. There's his chair. There's his game system. He has little flies on his shirt. So there he is. He is so cool. I absolutely love him. I think he's pretty amazing. So I'm actually going to stick him back in the bag. That way cats don't get to him. So everyone got a ribbon. And I was awarded Best Creativity. There it goes. Best Creativity. And then they went around and did Best in Show, which would be the overall winner. They went around and they awarded that. I was there when they awarded it, so it was kind of exciting to see who won. And, well, I won Best of Show. So that was very exciting. They recorded it and they interviewed me real quick for the Best of Show. And that can be found on Instagram for Hearts on Fiber. So I did win Best in Show. I'm very excited and overwhelmed. So I won a $50 gift card to Hearts on Fiber. And I did spend it. And I'll show you what I purchased. I also won a door prize. And the door prize is 2 cakes of cotton yarn and a knit pattern to knit dishcloth. But I'll show you the 2 cakes of cotton yarn for my door prize. So the door prize is Cotton Supreme Waves. And this is the first one, Cotton Supreme Waves. And it is the color Equator. And there's 230 yards of 100% cotton. This one is called Autumn Apple. And again, it's 230 yards. So I got 2 skeins. And they are really soft. And it's about, I guess it's about a 2 or a 3 weight. So that'll give you an idea. So I got those 2 for my door prize, which is pretty awesome. I'm putting them back in the bag for the door prize bag. I also spent my gift card and a little more. Was very excited to be able to go around and look at the yarns and stuff. A friend of mine had sent me some money, so that was very sweet. They didn't have to, but they did. So I was able to get some yarn. Now I did buy some cotton, which is unlike Froggy because she doesn't really like cotton. But they had this cotton and it was very soft, so I bought some of it. This is Queensland Coastal Cotton. So I bought these 4. And this is Queensland Coastal Cotton. Each one has 185 yards. The top one, this is Apricot, and it's 185 yards. And it is super, super soft. It is a 4-weight. So that's Queensland Coastal Cotton. And this is the color Apricot. And it matches these 2 that I got. and they are Sunrise Beach, and they are the same thing, the same 4-weight yarn, the same 100% cotton, and this is Queensland Coastal Cotton Ocean Mist, and it is really soft, and it matches the apricot. And I got 2 of these, and they are 185 yards. And there's the other one. And then they had 1 lone skein of this, so I went ahead and got it. And it is called Playa Amarilla. Playa Amarilla, and it is like in yellows. So I went ahead and got this 1 lone skein by itself. So that's the cotton I got. And then I got Hearts on Fiber, some DK weight, and I got this one is called Siren, and it's trying to unwind. Hang on. They wound them for me. This color is a DK weight, and it's called Siren. And it's greens and blacks, and I love that. It's going to end up being a frog. So I have this one. And then I have 2 more that were little stubbies. I'm going to get them. They're starting to unwind themselves too. These are little stubbies, and I got 2 of these. They're identical. And they called them camo, C-A-M-O. But that's not camo to me. That's brown. So I got 2 identical. They're the exact same. So that's what I got with the gift card and with the, a little bit of extra money. There's the other one. There's the other one. See, they're identical. So I'm going to use them to make a frog and some clothes for the frog. But everyone's entries into the contest were absolutely fantastic. I'm overwhelmed. I still can't believe that I won. I don't know why I doubt myself. I just do. I shouldn't doubt myself. But being visually impaired, I've always doubted myself. So, thank you for all of you that believed in me. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. It was judged by children ages 8 to 13. They loved my frog, and they loved the fact that I made a chair for the frog to sit in. Now, I can't wait for next year. Next year's will be judged by children again. So that's going to be fun. Can't wait for that. Oh, I didn't even show you. This was the pattern I won. It's a knit. Came with those 2 cakes. It's just a knit dishcloth. There's the other side. It's just a knit dishcloth. I will probably crochet the dishcloth that I'll make out of those cakes. So. But I wanted to thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.